Hello and welcome to Everyday Business. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the world of retail innovation, where strategy meets style, and efficiency meets customer satisfaction. In this special feature, we're diving into the story of Target, a brand that has not only captured our hearts with its red bullseye but has also revolutionized the way we think about shopping and delivery. From its humble beginnings in 1962 to becoming a trailblazer in the retail industry, Target's journey is nothing short of remarkable. We'll explore how this iconic brand has evolved, adapting to the ever-changing demands of consumers and reshaping the landscape of retail. So, whether you're a retail enthusiast, a curious observer, or just looking for some fascinating insights, you're in the right place. We're thrilled to have you with us as we uncover the secrets behind Target's success. Grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's get started. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our community and stay updated on all our latest explorations. Now, without further ado, let's step into the world of Target and discover how this beloved brand continues to innovate and inspire. Welcome to Revolutionizing Retail, Target's journey from Classic Storefront to Delivery Powerhouse. Our story with Target begins over half a century ago. It was 1962, a year marked by change and innovation, when the first Target store opened its doors in Roseville, Minnesota. This wasn't just the launch of a new store, it was the birth of a vision that would transform retail. Target's early days were defined by a simple yet powerful ethos to offer customers high-quality goods at affordable prices. This philosophy resonated with shoppers, setting Target apart in a crowded marketplace. As we fast forward through the decades, Target's journey is marked by bold decisions and innovative leaps. In the 1990s, Target broke new ground by collaborating with renowned designers, bringing high fashion to everyday aisles. This move redefined what a discount store could be, blending style with affordability. Today, Target stands as a titan in the retail industry, but its most revolutionary move may be in how it's tackling the challenge of online retail and fast delivery. In a world where Amazon and Walmart dominate, Target has carved its own path. Target turned its network of nearly 2,000 stores into a key advantage. These stores, strategically located across the United States, double as fulfillment centers. This means that online orders are often just a short drive away from their final destination, enabling faster delivery and reducing shipping costs. But Target's strategy isn't just about geography. It's about smart technology. From robotic arms in warehouses to advanced data analytics predicting what customers will buy, Target is at the forefront of retail technology. A cornerstone of Target's strategy is its investment in local sortation centers. These hubs are a marvel of logistics, taking orders from nearby stores and organizing them for efficient delivery. It's here that Target's vision of fast, efficient delivery comes to life. Industry expert, Target's approach is a game changer. They're not just keeping up with consumer expectations, they're setting new standards for what fast delivery can be. As we look to the future, Target's journey is far from over. With plans to expand their sortation centers and continue innovating in retail technology, Target is poised to remain a key player in the ever-evolving world of retail. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Target's remarkable story. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more stories that bring the world of retail to life, right here on Everyday Business. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.